Hi, I'm Ryan Clark, and I'm a professional chef, and today we're in The Beef. It's What's for Dinner Culinary Center, and today I'm gonna be teaching you tips and tricks for you to cook beef in your kitchen. With this holiday roast, it's important to pair up something nice to drink. So I like a nice robust red wine, something kind of dark and funky that's gonna pair well with the beef. You know, beef's very rich, so wine really needs to stand up to it to have a nice food and wine pairing. So the marbling in this beautiful rib roast is going to do really well with the Cabernet. So the marbling is going to give it that really nice richness and great flavor that you're looking for in a rib roast. And the Cabernet is going to pair really well with that because it's going to be nice, bold flavors that stand up to those flavors. So for the holidays, if you're cooking a different type of roast, maybe you're doing a whole beef tenderloin that's a little bit leaner, you'd want to pair your wine up a little bit differently. So maybe something that's not as full-bodied, something like maybe a Pinot Noir, or you could even do a crossover wine, something white, like a full-bodied Chardonnay would work really well with that as well. When in doubt, I mean, wine's delicious and a rib roast is delicious, so go with what you like and you're gonna enjoy it and have a great time. If you're looking for more tips and tricks to cook beef, check out Beef, it's whatsfordinner.com.